This is a nice RCA Radiola loudspeaker, model 103. And I found this at the Raleigh flea market, well over 10 years ago. And I have not seen another one since in this good a condition. As far as I know, everything is original. Now here's a closer look at the Tapestry. And of course this is the back side. And that is the original silk sock that's covering the back. And at the top of this silk sock is the notice to take a look at the license underneath the speaker. Now this is the foot of the speaker, and this material that the speaker is made out of is known as repwood. I don't really know much about it. I think it's probably mostly glue and sawdust. They use that so they could press this together so all these speakers are identical because they were pressed out. Now here's the bottom where the license is. And you can see the number 1 license only for talking machine uses. And then it goes on to amateur radio use and experimental use. This speaker was manufactured around 1928. Now this is kind of a scary thing, but I'm going to open up the back of this a little bit so we can take a peek inside. When I got this thing, I noticed that there was some rattling on the inside, and of course I put an ohm meter on it and it was wide open. Somebody had hooked some real power up to this and literally blew both the wires off the coil. But there was just enough of the wire left, and I remember cleaning it with a fingernail file, and I got them soldered back together. Now originally, of course, I'd taken the back completely off, but I don't want to do that again because I don't want to take a chance of tearing the silk. But it works fine now. And here's a quick demonstration of this nice RCA Tapestry speaker.
Best Talk and the Bill LeMay Show. Free speech radio. Bill LeMay. News Talk 680 WPTF.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Rick and Donna Martinez in for the vacationing Bill LeMay, who I can guarantee is celebrating Christmas. And that's an issue over in Cary, right, Donna?
It sure is. They've got their
To answer your question, I think that needs to happen. I think that needs to be done. I don't know. And I also want to point out this for the ACC. Sidney Lowe is the one that suspended Tracy Smith, not the ACC.
Well, I understand that. The coach is doing that because it's the right thing to do. He doesn't want to have his players get in trouble with all of this. Tim, Ryan, Chuck, you guys stay right there at 860-5326. We'll continue this. Should players and coaches get the right to criticize officials for making a bad call?
You guys. Yeah, I wanted to let you know, I was brought up and raised in a public school. My fourth grade public school teacher taught us this, and the word holiday actually derives